Hey guys, G Hankins here, your Builder Training Support Specialist and Network Marketing / MLM. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. And before I get started with today's video, I want to remind you guys to go to Network Marketing. It should be popping up on the screen. networkmarketing.builderall.com. All right, that is networkmarketing.builderall.com, because that is where you guys get to see this training. If you're watching this on Facebook or on YouTube, make sure you guys go there and put in your name over here, and you will see the latest and greatest video that I have done. And you'll see here Tuesday night's training, because I decided to, since we're always doing Tuesday night trainings, like to have that there. And I always attend the Tuesday night training, so therefore I'm busy. So I'm not able to do our regular trainings that we do here Monday to Friday. So you guys can also join, of course, the regular Tuesday night training. But I want you guys to always come here, because this is where you guys can ask your questions on a certain live video, like this one right now. And then what's really important are these three right here, starting with this one, the Telegram chat. This gets you to our Telegram chat community, so you guys can ask your questions, and you get to talk to the whole community here of the network marketing chat. And then we have the Telegram updates. Here you get to have updates of whenever I do go live, or if there's anything new that I want to share with you guys. You get them in both, but in this one you get to actually talk and send questions, and I can reply to you very quick. And then of course we have our Friday night or Friday afternoonish. This is, I'm doing them at 5, but this time might change because, well, I'll be starting school. Well, that'll be in September. I'll be starting school again, so this time will change, and of course I'll let you guys know in advance. And last but not least, before we get to our training, I want to remind you guys that this week will be our last week of doing live trainings. We will keep the Friday live Q&A, but Monday through Thursdays, you guys won't see a training from me, because it is that time of the hour, right? This is where we are going to go full speed, turbo mode on Builderall 5.0. There's a lot of things going on in the background that we have to work on, and we want it to be really good and amazing for you guys when we launch Builderall 5.0. So we're going to be 100% focused on that, but we will still be here, of course, on the Telegram chat. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them. And of course, on Fridays, I will still be here to answer your questions live on a Zoom for our weekly Friday live Q&A. All right, so make sure you guys do that. And that is it. Now let's get started with today's video. And in today's video, we're going to talk about something that I don't think I've done here, and that is the video wrapping tool. So if you don't know what the video wrapping tool, or you don't have it, I'm on the training account, so I can't add. But normally what you want to do is you want to add your Builderall wrapper. Actually, what am I talking about? We have it in the video hosting. I'm going crazy here. All right, so actually you just need the video hosting, guys. Ignore what I said before. You need to log in to your Builder account and go to your video hosting. That's what you need to do. And then you need to upload your video. Once you upload your video, you give it a name. And I have here this one, for example, for test. And if I copy this code so you guys can actually see it, let's copy it, open it in a new tab so you can see what the video is. As you can see, is the Marshall funnel for the Funnel Club video. So I have that here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap the video. And when I say wrap, I don't mean like you guys are going to drop a beat and I'm going to start rapping, right? not that. What we're going to do is actually right here where it says wrap, that's with a W. So wrap this video. And I have one here already. And if I press play, as you can see, there is what what I added the video right here. But if you guys want to do a new one, like let's go back again and click wrap this video, and I want to create a new wrap on it. Let's call it new testing. So where's my keyboard not working? Okay, here we go. New testing, and let's press OK. And as you can see, this is what I get. The video is pretty big. So what I need to do is scale it down a little bit. And the settings for this, when I click on this, right, on this element for the video, the settings right here, it says video settings. So you guys can see it, video settings right there. I want to scale it down. So I'm just gonna click, and that is too small. So let's bring it back up. And I think 5.3 should be fairly good. Let's put this just a little bit high. And then there. I'm happy with what I have right here. Then we have background. So when I click outside of the video, if you see I click on the video, I get the video settings. If I click outside of the video, I get the canvas settings right here. And the canvas settings is the width, canvas height. And this 1000 by 1000 is great, especially for social media when it comes to Instagram or Facebook videos, right? This is a good size. And the background, let's make it black so that it kind of goes with the video, but you don't have to. You can make it white or red or whatever color you actually want, but so that we can make it match, like I said, with this video, let's keep it black. It's easy and simple. Then we have here subtitles if you want to upload subtitles, and if you want to add a progress bar to the video. And as you can see, it can be red. Let's make it purplish. And the height. So then when we press play, it doesn't show. Let's see, on top of canvas, around canvas, bottom of canvas. Okay, so I'm guessing this you will see once you actually see it live, because it doesn't show here. But we don't really need that, right? I want to use it in a very simple way. I want to add an element now, right? Usually when you see videos like this, right, where they have some type of wording on top and wording in the bottom, I want to add an element. You can add an image, text, or animation. When it says animation, that means a GIF, right? A GIF. Text, well, a text that you can write, and then an image, and we're going to start with an image. Let's add an image right here. Right, so let's select an image that I have over here. Let's do get started. As you can see, this is the image right here. I can move it. Then if you want, you can actually click on this right here, but then you can rotate it and make it big. But I like to just scale it, and if I need to rotate it, then I'll use that. But it's easier if you just scale it with the numbers. So here we can have get started, and it's a PNG. So as you can see, the square or the rectangle right here goes over the video, but that's okay. So as you can see right here, I did right here what it says push and pull, which is basically bring back and bring forward. So I can drag this down and it'll disappear because I did a push, which pushes it back. If I do a pull, it pushes it. Well, not pushes it. It pulls it to the front so it can be on top of the video. But we want to put it just on top. And then if I want to add more elements, let's put this back to the back. Let's click on add element, text. As you can see, it says text, and I cannot see the text. It is black. So I'm going to put the words add text, and let's make the color, as you can see here, it says text color. Let's make it white. And on top of that, let's make it bold. So I can add text. And then the other element that I can add is add animation. And the add animation, as I told you guys, is the GIF, right? The GIF animations. So let's see. Loading. No. Let's do these thingies. The zombies that I had. So I have this right here. Like I said, I can rotate it if I want by clicking on this, and I can make it bigger or smaller. And then when I'm happy with what I have, now what I need to do is just process it. So 2 things that you could do when you process it. So I'm clicking processing is going to take a little while. So that's why I like to pre-record these videos so that I can pause it. So let's pause real quick. All right, there you go. It finished. So now if I want to use this video on my social media like Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook, you want to first click on download. So when you click on download, it will download to your computer. Well, it'll pop up over here on a separate screen. And then you're going to click on the 3 little lines over here and download. Then when you press download, you should get the pop-up to give it a name and save it on your actual computer. Like this right here. So I can give it a name and save it on my desktop, and I would press save. But I'm not going to press save because I already had done this. And then the last one is save to my video list. So when I click on save to my video list, it's actually going to save it on my video hosting. So when I click on my video hosting, go to my media, I had done this already, and it says right here, wrapping training. So let's check this video out, and let's open a new tab and paste. And as you can see, there's the video, and then it pops up right here. Now this is, like I said, this is just on the video. It's not like the video tagging tool where you can actually click and it'll take you somewhere, right? This is just to add more call to action on the video, or also to maybe add subtitles so it can stand out. Pretty sure you guys have seen videos like that where they have something here on top and then maybe an animation at the bottom telling you that the video is almost done, or maybe subtitles in the bottom, like really big subtitles. Right, so you guys can use this for anything, right? For your business, especially for network marketing, right? You want to stand out, you want to be different. So this is a pretty good tool. And as you saw right here, right, this is now on my video hosting, which means I can add this on one of my Cheetah pages because I have here the link. So you can actually put this in an iframe in any of your websites or in someone else's website, right? They don't have to have Builderall or anything, right? Because this is an iframe that they can add. But this is really great for you to use. And if you guys haven't used this, it's a pretty cool tool that you can use to add more spunk, more cool stuff to your videos, stand out, right? Be different, and get people's attention to want to join your business and also to do business with you. And one last thing to give you guys a tip to make things like this, it's really easy and simple. You can use things like Canva, or I've also started using again PicMonkey. Totally forgot that I had this. Thanks to Raw Driver reminded me about this. So really cool. You can use PicMonkey or Canva to create these cool graphics or images, PNGs. You can also create GIFs. Right, so you have full control of all this. All right, so it's up to you. Let me put it all back. So this is a pretty cool tool that you can use and incorporate it with the video wrapper feature inside the video hosting. Because I know in the beginning I said the video wrapping tool, but it's not a video wrapping tool anymore. It's integrated within our video hosting tool. All right. So that is it, guys, for today. Hope you guys have an amazing night tonight. And once again, guys, don't forget, let's go build it with Builderall. Have a good night. Peace.